Today we're exploring Take It Easy Oasis, a beautiful vacation retreat surrounded by a peaceful tropical scenery and designed to give you the perfect island getaway experience. Before we get started, make sure to hit the subscribe button for more awesome content. Alright, let's jump right in. You'll immediately appreciate the quiet and serene atmosphere. You're welcomed by a lush, full tropical garden filled with vibrant greenery and creating a warm and inviting first impression. These family-friendly accommodations offer generous living spaces and complete facilities, making them perfect for families, groups of friends, or extended stays. Take a look at the kitchenette area. It features a modern and cozy dining set where everyone can gather and enjoy meals together. Kitchenette is fully equipped with a large double-door refrigerator, elegant marble countertops, and a built-in induction cooktop, electric oven, oversized microwave, and all the essential kitchen amenities you'll need during your stay. Let's head into the master bedroom. This inviting space features a comfortable king-size bed, modern ceiling fan, and plenty of room to relax after a day of island adventures. You'll also find a smart TV and a stylish dresser and excellent lighting, creating the perfect setting for a relaxing retreat. Master bedroom comes with its own private ensuite bathroom. Inside, you'll find a beautiful vanity mirror, temporary shower cubicle, and all the basic bathroom essentials provided for your convenience. For peace of mind, a security safe vault is available for your valuables, travel documents, and beach accessories, and more. There's also plenty of storage space for your luggage and personal belongings. Now, let's check out the second bedroom. This room also features a comfortable king-size bed, smart TV, modern ceiling fan, and bright welcome lighting. Spacious closet provides ample room for all your vacation essentials. One of the highlights of this bedroom is its beautiful view of overlooking the pool area. Outside and enjoy the wide, relaxing patio, complete with comfortable seating where you can unwind while watching your family have fun in the pool. Speaking of the pool area, let's enjoy the lounge chairs and a barbecue grill, creating the perfect setting for family gatherings, cookouts, and memorable evenings with friends. The property also provides a shared laundry area with complete washing facilities, allowing you to travel light and worry less about laundry before heading home. Let's explore another beautiful family unit. The fresh air island breeze and the open air surroundings makes every moment here feel refreshing and rejuvenating. Start your mornings on a private garden patio surrounded by a lush tropical landscaping while enjoying a peaceful cup of coffee or simply soaking in Aruba's beautiful weather. Take It Easy Oasis also features a shared outdoor cabana, ideal for special gatherings, celebrations, or simply spending quality time with loved ones. If you're looking for a little extra like relaxations, enjoy breakfast poolside or sip your morning coffee while embracing the calm, tropical atmosphere. Inside, you'll find a spacious living area filled with natural light, creating a bright and welcoming environment for a whole family. The fully equipped kitchenette adds extra convenience, allowing you to prepare meals whenever you like during your day. One of the best parts of this unit is the pool view. Imagine stepping out after breakfast or lunch and diving straight into the refreshing pool while enjoying Aruba's year-round sunshine. Now, let's visit the master bedroom. Just like the previous unit, this room offers beautiful decor, excellent lighting, and smart TV, and plenty of dresser and closet space for your belongings. The second bedroom also enjoys a wonderful pool view, adding to the relaxing vacation atmosphere. Families traveling with young children will appreciate the thoughtful amenities available, including the baby cribs, walkers, and high chairs to make traveling with your little ones easier and more comfortable. Now, let's take a look at the cozy one-bedroom units. These accommodations are perfect for couples, solo travelers, or anyone looking for a comfortable and affordable island getaway. The units offers a cozy yet functional layout with enough space to relax and enjoy your stay. You'll find a complete kitchenette equipped with all essentials, cooking facilities, along with a charming dining area perfect for enjoying meals together. The bedroom features a comfortable queen-size bed, smart TV, good lighting, and plenty of cabinet space for your personal belongings. It's a cozy retreat designed for rest, comfort, and convenience after a day of in Aruba. One of the greatest advantages of staying at the Take It Easy Oasis is its location. The property is just a short walk from the main streets of Oranjestad, where you find shopping centers, local boutiques, restaurants, cafes, and many Aruba's most popular attractions. To make your vacation even more convenient, Take It Easy Oasis can also assist guests with arranging car rentals, helping you to explore every corner of the beautiful island with ease. So, start planning your trip to Aruba today and book your stay at Take It Easy Oasis. Create an unforgettable memories, experience island living, and enjoy a vacation that will truly last a lifetime.